morning, guys. Good morning. I am now making coffee. It's 7:30 in the morning and this is reality. Back again to pick up a load. Where's the lid, Dad? Can you give me the lid? Your coffee. Here, honey. 2 slices of bread.
Yes.
I don't have appetite to eat early morning. There's only coffee. I'm sold for that. One more minutes and we are ready to go. We arrived here, guys, in the shipper. I don't know how the hell he can back up to the door. Dito ako takot pag mag-backing na siya, especially pag maliit lang yung space. What I'm scared about, guys. Stopping here in the middle of the roads, breakdown. Oh my god. Hi guys! We are stopped for a moment. Ito sa truck stop. CA Fuel Station in Ontario. We're here in Ontario now. Papasok na muna ako sa store, gagamit ng restroom at bibili na rin ng hot water. Sa mga nagtatanong at saan kami gagamit ng restroom, ito, pumasok na ako sa isang fuel station restroom. Ang ganda nga, mga iilang sink yan, sa 2, 3, 4, 4 sink. Ito mga cubicle nila, ang dami nga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cubicle, pili ka lang dyan. Yung isa dito for older people. Yan. Changing diaper yata ito, itong malaking room. 24 hours may naglilinis. In fairness, guys, yung restroom nila. Hello! Hot water only.
Hot water?
Yes.
50 cents.
Here. Truck stop dito, guys. Kompleto na. You too. Dito kami magpapark. Dito na lahat. Dinidesign sila. May TV room, may laundry room, shower room, restroom. Merong iba nga may gym. Tapos, what else? Restaurant. The most important thing is restaurant. Grocery store. Ano pa ba? Mga souvenir shop. Meron din sila. Kompletos Ricardos na. 500 spot. This truck stop home. Goodbye, California for now. Hello, Arizona. We're coming. Welcome to Arizona, guys. Every port of entry, guys, the state, there is a weigh station. We are given a green signal. Truck speed for Arizona is 75 miles per hour maximum. Unlike California, California is the lowest speed limit. which is only 55 miles per hour. Okay guys, while the truck is running, I will do some shout out to these viewers. Thank you so much for your request. Shout out to Miss Cherry James from Texas, USA. Hello! Shout out sa pamilya ni Bray Bray or Bray Bray na sina Belinda, Uzia at Owen from California. Hello! Shout out to Miraflor Pastor from Maragusan, Cumbal Province. Hi! Shout out to Charlie D. Hello! Shout out to Emily Velasquez from Newport News, Virginia. Hello! Shout out to Arnold Velasco from Rosario, Cavite, Philippines. Hello po! Kumusta? Shout out to Handsome Don Pipot. Aba, handsome from Down Under, Sydney, Australia. Hello! How are you today? Diba yung today ng Australia magiging today? Joke lang yun, sir. Okay, at pinapa-shoutout niya yung sister niya from Dallas City, San Francisco, California. Hello! Shoutout to Vic Dumarag from Seattle. I guess this is from Washington. Hello, sir! Maraming dumadag din sa Bohol, sir. Shoutout to Rudy Montano. Kano-ano mo si Cesar Montano? Joke lang. Shoutout to Paul and Leslie from Orange County, California. Hello! Shoutout to Neri and Leslie from New York. Hello sa taga New York. Shoutout to Roberto San Pedro. And pinapa-shoutout niya yung Documentation Department Project Head Office from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa panonood, sir. Hello dyan sa taga Saudi Arabia. Mga Pilipino na nasa Saudi Arabia. Hello! Kumusta po lahat? Babatiin ko lang yung pamangkin ko na si Doy Doy. Birthday niya today. Happy birthday, Doy Doy! He's 3 years old. At sa aking kapatid in crime na si Cecil. Yan, birthday niya rin bukas. Hello, happy birthday sa you, sis. And I hope you have many more birthdays to come. God bless! Are these all fruits from the cactus? I don't know. It looks pretty. Look at that. Hi guys! We are stopping now in Petro, Arizona, in Kingman. So, I am walking a little bit. 7:30 o'clock na guys. In the evening, and I'm heading to the truck. Bye guys! Good night everyone! Thank you for watching! Bye!
Bye.